Welcome. Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body after you take a bite of your favorite food? Today, we'll explore the fascinating journey of digestion, how your body breaks down that delicious meal into energy and nutrients. From the moment you take a bite, a complex system starts working to extract what you need and get rid of what you don't. Let's break it down stage by stage. Digestion starts the moment food enters your mouth. This is where both mechanical and chemical digestion begin. When you chew, your teeth break the food into smaller pieces, increasing the surface area for enzymes to work on. At the same time, your salivary glands release saliva, containing enzymes like amylase that start breaking down carbohydrates. Think of it like soaking a cookie in milk. It starts to break down even before you swallow it. Saliva also moistens the food, making it easier to swallow, turning it into a soft mass called a bolus. Once you swallow, the bolus moves into the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. The movement is guided by a series of wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis. Picture squeezing toothpaste from a tube. That's similar to how your esophagus pushes the food down. This process is so effective that even if you were to eat while lying down, your food would still reach your stomach. The bolus reaches the stomach, a muscular organ that plays a central role in digestion. Here, the stomach's walls churn the food, mixing it with gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and pepsin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. This mixture is called chyme, a semi-liquid mass that's more easily absorbed by the intestines. The acidic environment not only aids in digestion, but also helps kill harmful bacteria. To protect itself from its own acid, the stomach produces mucus, forming a protective barrier. Fun fact: the stomach lining renews itself every few days to prevent damage from the acid. Next, the chyme moves into the small intestine, a 20-foot long tube where most of the digestion and absorption takes place. Here, the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas join the process, releasing bile, enzymes, and bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. Bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, emulsifies fats, breaking them into smaller droplets that enzymes can easily digest. The pancreas releases enzymes like lipase to break down fats, amylase to continue digesting carbohydrates, and proteases to further break down proteins. The small intestine is lined with villi and microvilli, tiny finger-like projections that increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids are absorbed through these structures and transported into the bloodstream. Fun fact: if you unfolded the small intestine, it would cover an area the size of a tennis court. The absorbed nutrients are carried by the bloodstream to various cells in the body, providing the energy and materials needed for growth and repair. After the small intestine, any remaining indigestible material moves into the large intestine, also known as the colon. The large intestine's main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from this material, turning it from a liquid state into solid waste or stool. Beneficial bacteria in the colon also help break down any remaining substances, producing vitamins like vitamin K. This process can take around 12 to 24 hours, allowing the body to extract as much water and nutrients as possible before elimination. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, known collectively as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. They help break down complex carbohydrates, synthesize vitamins, and maintain a healthy balance in the gut environment. An imbalance in the microbiome can lead to digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. Maintaining a diet rich in fiber and probiotics can help keep your gut healthy. Finally, any remaining waste material, now solidified, moves into the rectum and is expelled from the body through the anus. This process is known as defecation. It's the body's way of getting rid of materials it doesn't need, completing the digestive process. And that's the complete journey of digestion, from the mouth to the stomach, through the intestines, and finally out of the body. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into how the human body works.